Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, and especially Prague Castle, is a unique cultural monument, reminding us of 1,000 years of the Kingdom of Bohemia and 100 years of the history of Czechoslovakia. The most precious of awards and medals have been awarded from the hands of kings and the top representatives of state in the ceremonial rooms of Prague Castle since time forgot. It was here, in the representative Spanish hall, that the pan-European company Comenius announced the results of the prestigious Czech 100 Best, Lady Pro and Gentleman Pro competitions on the 30th November 2018. And it was here that the award winners received their diplomas.
Vážené a krásné dámy.
Dear beautiful ladies, charming gentlemen, today is the 23rd, the last Friday in November.
Co se tady scházíme, aby jsme oslavili něco?
We have come together to celebrate something which is fixed and stable in history.
Poctivou, inovativní.
Honest, innovative, hard work, which really is the source of the wealth and feel-good factor in every country and for all its citizens.
Všech jeho obyvatel.
Probably the most important aim of the competition is to appreciate and make more visible to the public the best Czech companies and personalities from across many various fields. 700 VIPs from the top of business and public life attended the gala evening. The events in the hall were dominated by the best companies and institutions, as well as charismatic personalities. The company Chvalis was ranked in the top 100 of the best Czech companies, occupying 86th place in the list of the best companies that can be found in the Czech Republic. The company Milan Chvalina, Chvalis, was established almost 30 years ago, back in 1990. It is focused on providing expert services since its founding in the field of servicing hydraulics, pneumatics and lubrication systems. It's a family firm, with the founder's wife joining in 1992, elder son Martin in 1997 and daughter Jana in 2010. The youngest son Milan is preparing for the company in the future and is currently studying at the Czech Technical University in Prague. Over the years, the company has become an important supplier of hydraulic systems and components for various areas of industry, including the demanding field of rail vehicles. This includes diesel locomotives and rail cars. I founded the company Milan Chvalina Chvalis in 1990, at a time when it was possible to start your own business in the Czech Republic. I first did business in the s.r.o. paper mill, where I built on my experience in the field of maintaining paper mill machinery, lubrication and pneumatic systems.
Mazacích systémů a pneumatických systémů.
The company later began to develop and worked with 20 employees doing a kind of outsourcing in the s.r.o. paper mill. In 1997, we bought premises in the nearby town of Hošťka and started to build the company's new head office.
Sídlo v nedalekém městečku Hošťka, vedle papíren Štětí, 5 kilometrů. A zde jsme začali budovat další budovy a sídlo společnosti.
We then started to work with large customers in the Czech Republic in the field of the maintenance and servicing orders of hydraulic systems.
Dodávek hydraulických systémů pro tehdejší skupinu.
It was a so-called automotive group that supplied semi-finished products and products for the automotive industry, not only in the Czech Republic, but in other European countries.
Ale i v evropských částech a dalších zemích.
Another area of our business was launched in 2001, so another stage has started for the company.
Další etapou kdy jsme byli osloveni.
We were approached by a company that, in the Czech Republic after the revolution, took over the activity in the field of rail vehicles and diesel locomotives.
Vozidel, dieselových lokomotiv a začali jsme pro tuto.
We have started to develop and supply complete hydraulic systems and packets for diesel locomotives and motor cars for this company, which was a real change at the time.
A v současné době můžu říct, že společnost na tomto zákazníkovi a této oblasti kolejových vozidel.
Our company has continued to develop in the field of mobile hydraulic systems for rail vehicles.
K tomu, aby jsme mohli plnit tyto
In order to manage these complex issues, we have gradually converted from an originally servicing company to a manufacturing one.
My se přestavěli a dopracovali se na výrobní firmu, která zahrnuje oblast.
The company offers customers comprehensive services, design of systems, production of hydraulic valve manifolds, design and manufacturing, complete 3D modeling of aggregates and systems in order to come to an agreement with the customer in advance and to know exactly what they want.
Co zákazník potřebuje, jsou to klíčové technologie.
These are key services and technologies for our company.
Pro nás naprosto nezbytné a do budoucna určitě také. V roce 2006
we built our own training center in 2006 using European Union supporting funds.
Programů Evropské unie, kdy školící střední.
The center is focused to teach the basics of hydraulics, pneumatics and lubrication systems.
Pneumatiky, mazacích systémů, ale především pak pro
We train not only our employees in the training center, but also our customers' staff, who are responsible for maintaining the company's manufacturing equipment.
Výrobních zařízení a k nám se jezdí doučovat, nebo respektive my pro ně vyučujeme tyto odborné předměty. Nedílnou součástí toho.
An integral part of our business is also the field of tribodiagnostics, where we provide the customer with comprehensive servicing and maintenance of operating fluids for the hydraulic and lubrication systems.
Systémů, kdy
we analyze oils, maintain the filtration and such like, including preparing reports, which we then store in the customer's databases.
Pak k danému zákazníkovi ukládáme v jeho databázi.
The company currently has approximately 110 employees, so we can say that we've grown quite a bit over the last 28 years.
Opravdu za těch 28 let poměrně rozrostly a od roku 2010.
In response to our customers' needs in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, we've established sales and maintenance centers across the Czech Republic.
Ale i někde na Slovensku jsme zahájili výstavbu poboček.
This network of branches creates local support to our activities and manufacturing in the spirit of being as close to our customers as possible.
Aby zákazník nemusel zbytečně mít náklady za dopravu a podobně, takže vlastně tu službu, kterou potřebuje v dané oblasti, vlastně dostane na klíč, tak jak vyžaduje.
To conclude our report, we'd like to return to the Prague Castle to be amongst the best 100. The stars of the evening were the TV presenters Jolana Voldanová and Daniel Takáč. The cultural program was provided by the violinist Lenka Ambrožová and the swing orchestra Zatrest Band. The evening was rounded off by the enjoyable fashion show of the well-known fashion designer Tatiana Kováříková. We congratulate the company Chvalis on receiving their prestigious award at the 2018 Czech 100 Best, and we wish them much success in the future.